Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to find your headphones Redmi Buds 4 Pro. You have to start by opening the application and now click on Find Earphones. And you can play a song, not location, just a song. So you can play it for the left one or right one earbud or for both of them. So let's say I wanna for the left one. And now you can see, you can hear nothing. If you can't, just increase the volume on the phone. And you can also play it for the right one or for both of them. After you finish, when you find them, just click again to turn off it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!